From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Well, good evening, State College. I'm student meteorologist Patrick Wright here with your CNET forecast. Now let's take a look at your weather headlines for the rest of this week. We do have periods of light snow moving throughout the rest of this evening and into early tomorrow morning, or at least for the State College area. And then we do have a cold but calm week ahead of us with the sun peeking out a few times, so I would bring those sunglasses with the snow. Otherwise, we do warm up this weekend and the clouds do move back in. Now let's take a look at the winter weather advisory that's in effect until State College until tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. So that is as a result of the snow that is falling into tonight and early tomorrow morning. Now let's take a look at the radar right now. It is fairly full for most of Pennsylvania. It has filled in throughout the rest of the day, and by 2:30, most of the state is experiencing some sort of snowfall. Now, depending on how much snow we get, which will be dependent on how fast this moves and how well it maintains its organization. If it stays fairly full like this, well, we will see more snow here in the State College area. However, if it breaks up as it has been doing this morning, then we will see less snow. Now I'm going to take you into the future weather, and that we do expect the snow to move out by early tomorrow morning for the State College area. Now it'll depend on how fast it moves. However, this model suggests it'll be out by 1:30 and then out of the state by 11:30 a.m. So if you're in the eastern portions of Pennsylvania, you might have a little bit of a rough commute. Otherwise, a fairly calm day here in central Pennsylvania. Now let's take a look at some of those snow totals. Now I have three different models here that I'm going to show you. Now this model, the European model, or no, this is the GFS model. I'm sorry about that. We have 3.1 inches here in State College. Now I think this is a little high, but the next model suggests we do only get 1 inch, which is the RPM. And then the next model, which is usually the more trusted model here in the weather world, we have 2 inches of snow, which is this is the one that I'm going to agree with. So I'm expecting about 2 inches of snow through tomorrow morning here in the State College area. And again, it'll depend on how fast the system moves. Now let's take a look at your weather for the in-depth details for this evening. We do expect a low of 16 degrees with a few snow showers in the area, and then that'll move out by 1 a.m. and 0 to 5 mile an hour wind, so a fairly calm night. Now tomorrow, the winds do pick up. However, we do dry out. We have a high of 25 degrees and decreasing clouds throughout the day with those northwest winds of 10 to 15 miles an hour and the possibility of gusts up to 20. So bring a coat and some sunglasses because the reflection of the sun off the snow might be a little blinding for the next couple of days. And with that said, we do have a partly cloudy sky throughout Thursday and Friday with high of 30 on Thursday and then warming up to 35 on Friday. And then the clouds do move back in for Saturday and Sunday with a high of 44 and a 48 respectively for Saturday and Sunday. So we do warm up. And then the rain does move right back in on Monday with a few showers and a high of 49. And then the showers move out with a few AM showers on Tuesday and a high of 40 degrees. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Patrick Wright. Make it a great day, everybody.